Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 10 how to download your name tag on Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is go all the way down to your dock, click on your web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to your Instagram account, make sure you are signed in. If not, go to the previous tutorials to see how to do that. Click on this wheel and then click on name tag. And then name tag helps people follow you quickly. People can scan your name tag with the Instagram camera to easily follow you. Download and print the name tag, then stick it on your products, posters, and more. Keep your name tag very clean. Stick to the flat surfaces. Find a size that fits. Click on download name tag. Go all the way to the right top corner. Show downloads. Click on this. Double click. And there we have the actual name tag. Use your mobile phone, scan this. They can easily follow you that way. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.